bonjour! Today I have a challenge for you. Can you take the last art supplies you bought and can you make something from it? This is my challenge. So here is what I bought, and I'm not sure I will be using everything, but I will use only what I bought. Kind of a challenge. Something really cool I wanted to try for a long time is Blackwing Matte pencil. I have to sharpen it first, but I will be using it. A white gel pen, nothing really fancy. I've been at the Sennelier store in Paris, and these are oil stick. This is solid oil and it will dry like oil painting, and also you can use solvents and turpentine, everything you're using with your regular oil painting with it. And unfortunately they didn't have much color left, so this is what I have. And this is going with these bottles. This is liquid acrylic paint. I always try to buy the 3 primaries, or kind of, when I buy something new, so I'm quite sure I can make something. So as I said, buying the 3 primaries is really helpful. This is a woody pencil, and this is easily used with water. Also, I wanted to try a new brand that I don't know for gouache painting. So light yellow, rose, cerulean blue, and Prussian blue, just for a change. Also, this is Blackstone HB, so kind of dark as well. And this one is a China marker. And a small brush. Love this brand. It's a French brand, by the way. It's Raphael. And this is the first time I saw that. It's a watercolor book, kind of small. And this is watercolor paper, but it's toned. So cool. I'm so happy I have found this because I'm going on a trip quite soon, and this would be my travel sketchbook. So I won't be using it today because I will keep it for my little travel in Andalusia, south of Spain. So let's grab some paper, water, a rug, because you always need one. So before going to my full drawing, I just want to play a bit with my new supplies and see what is going on if I add water. And you can go back inside the wet color. You can get nice marks. Okay, so when you add water, you still keep the marks of it. Okay, and can I add blue inside and see how it goes? Yeah, it makes green, obviously. And something else. Okay, so I can have marks with it. And don't forget to close your lid. Okay, can go beautifully with water. What about this black? Okay, it's very black. This is the stone. Oh, it's really harder. HB. This one is really difficult to smooth on the paper. This one is really sliding very well. This one is a bit rough, even if it seems to be a bit darker. And this, oh, this is really creamy. Like, I don't know, oil pastel maybe. And what about water? Okay, so water a bit on the stone. Nothing on the Blackwing. Okay, so it's going nicely a bit on the black stone. And last but not least, the oil stick. So obviously it won't be usable with water because it's oil. So I would need to use some turp or some other chemicals that I'm using with oil stick or with oil painting usually. So I won't be using this today. I think it's for another day, for another fun. And some gouache. Well, I know gouache. I'm not sure I really need to sample that. Oh, very strong color. So I've been visiting the Mugler exhibition in Paris, and this is what we had at the entrance. It's a little poster with this gorgeous dress, which is all embroidered with 1,000 hours of embroidery. It's really amazing. And what I want to do is be inspired by this dress and try to make something here. First, I will be using the yellow one as my first sketch, and I want to make a blind contour. So I'm looking at the drawing here, and I'm not looking at my paper. And the idea is that you never lift up your pencil. Really, I'm not cheating. So it should be something quite weird. Okay, this is really weird. Never mind, I want to keep the looseness of it and refine a bit. So I'm refining as I'm changing my pencil. I'm using something thinner than my woodies. Added a bit more details, and now I want to first assess the drawing I made and talk about the supplies I bought and how I think it's good to use them or not. So regarding the drawing, I'm not completely happy, not to say that I'm really not happy with it. I mean, the face is really too big compared to the body, so it makes a kind of weird proportion. But anyway, this was just to play with the supplies. What I did is the dress is made only with the acrylic inks. They are really cool to use, very liquid, and they dilute very well with water. This is cool. And the background is made mainly with gouache. And what I did is I've been mixing acrylic ink inside the gouache just to try, because if you don't try, you don't know if it works or not. But I'm not sure it works very well. Actually, it makes, here it's a pure acrylic ink, here as well. And it makes kind of a shiny finish that doesn't go very well with the matte finish of the gouache, to my opinion. Maybe you can think differently, and that's perfectly fine. You are the artist. My challenge was to use only what I bought, and this is what I did. So regarding those woodies, they are very cool for preliminary for first sketch. We can say that this way, I think so. My only concern is, how am I going to sharpen this? No idea. So I guess I have to buy a specific sharpener, because the one I have is really too small. So think about that when you buy some unusual sizes of pencils. You need to sharpen them somehow, and I'm not confident enough to do this with a sharpener, you know, a blade. That would be really dangerous for my health. And regarding the black pencils, I must say I'm quite disappointed by the Blackwing. I thought it was way much black, and I don't see really any difference with a regular pencil, so I'm not sure it's worth paying this a lot much more than a regular pencil. But I have discovered this one, which is Blackstone. It's a pierre noire in French. This is really dark. It's really going on the skin as well. It's a bit hard, not so smooth, but it's also usable with water, which is cool. And this one is really dark and really smooth. And what I prefer is this new brand of gouache. Never used it before. I love it. It's very creamy, very soft to use, good coverage, nice colors. I need to buy more and make more tests with this one, but it's a very good brand. All right, I guess that's it for today. I hope it was helpful, and maybe if it can prevent you from buying something you won't like, that's a good thing. So just let me know in comments if it's helpful. See you soon for another video. Bye bye. Au revoir.